How to turn off dark mode on X on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your X application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches while using the application on your device. Now as you can see, my app is updated and I don't have the option of update, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of X application. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Then what we are going to do is we're going to tap on our profile at the very top left corner of the screen. Just tap on that. Now scroll down and you can see the option of settings and support, so just tap on that and then tap on settings and privacy. Now here you can see different options. So what we are going to do is we're going to tap on accessibility, display and languages, then tap on display, and here you can see the option of dark mode. It is enabled right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the dark mode, so just select on off, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.